Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So first you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is System.io. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what really matters: growing your businesses. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So first we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, and create online courses. Also automate your marketing. And that's it for his work. And then we have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. So we have here course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners, and that's it. If you scroll down, you'll find how you can become an affiliate. So you click over become an affiliate here, and you'll find this page. So we have here over than $5 million on in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have here earned 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription for our courses. Then we have strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. Then we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Then we have anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So you have just to enter your email here address, and then you write your personal information and you get started with System.io. If we scroll down, we have here important thing, how to get started as an affiliate. The first step, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then the second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then we have the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. Then the last step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then also we have here the definition of System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online businesses, build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. So right now, if you want to become an affiliate, you can just write your email address and you get started with the dashboard here. So this is the homepage, as you can see. And right now, let's click on over upgrade to know about these packages. We have the first one, it's for free, as you can see, and this is his characteristics. Then we have the startup one, and the second package, which you have to pay $27 per month, and this is his characteristics. The third one, we have webinar. You have to pay $47 per month, and this is how his characteristics. Then we have the last package. You have to pay $97 per month, and we have limited things here. And about payment gateways, you have various things, or various options, like Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Mali, Cardless, Paystack, Shandy, SecurePay, Cash on Delivery. So you can just get started right now. So to create a product, all you have to do is go to products here and you choose physical products, for example, and then you click over create. Once you do that, you write your name, your description. You can just copy it on ChatGPT, then you paste it here. Then we have SKU, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory, shipping, and about media. You have just to download the photo on the canva.com, for example, or other websites, and then you upload it here. About options, you have here option name, option values, then you add another option if you want, then you click over save. This is about physical products. We have also courses here. You can just add a new course. You write your name, your domain, your page here, and you choose the one you want, for example this one, and then you click over save. Then we have the last one, it's communities. About this one, you have just to click over create again. Then you write your name, your domain name, your path, and you click over save again. This is how you can create a product. About this, right now I will show you how you can sell funnels. You can just to click over create, you write your name, your funnel domain, and you choose your funnel goal here, build an audience for example, or sell a product or service, custom, or here we have run a evergreen webinar. Then you have currency over here and you click over save. And this is how it works with Systeme.io. You can just get started right now. So making money through a system can involve several strategies, for example, depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services, another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Leveraging your expertise, subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to strength and market demand. Whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. But before, let's know other information. If we scroll down, we have also here some comments of business owners here like Adam and Phil. Then we have entrepreneurs here, Julio Chipashiko, and you can also read these comments to more understand about how it works with the system. So see you again guys in other video, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and start right now with system as soon as possible.